Is it time to buy or sell Walmart stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Walmart. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of August, 2025, our system has ranked Walmart as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.45. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock lies in the lower part of a weak rising trend in the short term, which often presents a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $96.39 is breached, it will first indicate a slower rate of increase and may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 4.24% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 2.56% and 11.17%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 21.54%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 10.99% to 43.63% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $108.73 and $140.70. Our latest daily update for Walmart includes the headline "Walmart stock downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Thursday trading session." The Walmart stock price declined by 4.49% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, falling from $102.57 to $97.96. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.58%, with a low of $96.95 and a high of $99.45. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 5% loss over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume increased on the last day by 33 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 52 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $5.06 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $105.30, while the lowest was $75.01. Currently, the price is 6.97%, or $7.34, below the 52-week high of $105.30, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Walmart reported results for its fiscal second quarter today, presenting a mixed picture. Sales for the same quarter surpassed expectations. Management has increased its outlook for fiscal 2026, yet earnings fell short, marking the first miss in 3 years. Management cautioned that rising tariffs are increasing costs and that shoppers with lower and middle incomes are scaling back on goods with raised prices. Consequently, investors and analysts responded by selling off shares, causing the stock to decline by roughly 4.9%. Amid a broader market caution as the Federal Reserve prepares for significant policy statements. Former company executives commended the operating momentum. However, Wall Street observed that profit growth was not as robust as it could have been. In the short term, this combination of an earnings miss, cost pressures due to tariffs, and decreased consumer spending is likely to keep the stock volatile and susceptible to further decline if margin trends weaken or if Federal Reserve policies disrupt market sentiment. Looking ahead, the raised guidance and ongoing sales growth across various segments support a narrative of recovery, assuming Walmart can effectively manage cost increases, sustain traffic from lower-income customers, and uphold margin initiatives. Keep a close watch on margins, developments regarding tariffs, and the execution of guidance, as these will be critical in determining whether the company experiences recovery or further challenges. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 18th of August 2025, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned WMT an outperform grade along with a hold action. On the same day, Guggenheim also rated WMT with a buy grade and a hold action. Earlier on Monday, the 9th of June 2025, RBC Capital rated WMT as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May 2025, RBC Capital changed its stance, giving WMT an outperform grade but with a downgrade action. On that same day, Telsey Advisory rated WMT as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Walmart stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Walmart. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Walmart stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. During potential upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $100.62 and $98.56. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, August 11, 2025. And thus far, the stock has declined by 5.74%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was noted 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was noted 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal was noted 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, a sell signal was noted 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was noted 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 76 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Walmart. Walmart finds support from accumulated volume at $97.61. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock typically trades at a substantial volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is viewed as low. Over the previous day, the stock fluctuated by $2.50, which is a 2.58% change between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.62%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Walmart, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is expected on the 21st of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 73 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Walmart. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Walmart is at $98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Walmart faces its first support level at $97.61. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Walmart from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 19th of August, 2025, Maclay Catherine J. conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of August, 2025, Danker Daniel conducted an insider purchase of 206,207 shares of common stock. On the 18th of August, 2025, Banker Daniel conducted another insider purchase of 20,621 shares of common stock. On the 18th of August, 2025, Banker Daniel also conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 15th of August, 2025, Bartlett Daniel J. conducted an insider sale of 1,655 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 93.046. Overall, insiders purchased 2,372,904 shares and sold 29,937,166 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock and have not established a stop loss. Is Walmart stock a good buy? The Walmart stock shows several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Walmart will perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of August, we expect Walmart to open higher by 16 cents, starting at $98.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.